welcome
Hi.
to another video. We are doing camping part 3. I think the last one, right? Besides like the hotel and the mansion, this is like the last camping one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're in part 3 right now, and it's very snowy, and we are not dressed for the weather.
Nope.
Oh well.
I'm in the
let's
helicopter.
go.
It's literally July and it's apparently winter.
Apparently. So how's your guys' day today?
Good.
I killed someone in the last episode,
Yeah,
and
you have to watch part 1 and part 2 to find out what the hell happened.
Yeah.
Don't watch this unless you already watched both parts.
Totally.
Sup, Elizabeth?
I mean, or just watch them. That'd be a little fun, you know, going backwards.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well,
We're gonna have so many
why-
jokes in here. Wee hee hee. Wait.
Why do we keep going camping if like bad things keep happening?
Cause we
That's
like
a great
bad
question.
things. Like last time we died.
We were on a truck. Then we got to a boat. Now we're on a freaking helicopter.
With nobody in here.
We're nobody in here. Are we gonna get taken to the clouds? Like, what the hell?
Let's switch helicopters because no one's coming in this one.
Yeah, let's go to the middle one.
Middle.
Perfect.
No! Okay, got it.
Thank God. Yeah,
Oh my
because in
God.
the first one, some guy was like the bad guy, and we saved him, and that was a little annoying.
Mm-hmm.
And
You killed the
people died.
good guy in the
And you
next
shot
one,
someone.
in the other one.
For the second one, we thought it was Daniel, and it wasn't, and then I killed Daniel, and
Then we're dead.
I was.
There was a bunch of naked people on my screen. Whoa! Daniel 2.0!
Who the hell are you?
It's
Oh my God, it's Daniel.
It is Daniel!
Look too.
I thought you died.
Hey, you have
Or
to
Steve.
shush. Let's pretend we
Steve.
didn't kill him.
Steve is the love of my life now. Steve.
Daniel, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to kill you. I'm okay.
I'm so excited.
Screw Daniel. We're talking about Steve.
Ooh, this is good. This is a nice cabin, bro.
This is.
Bro,
We
it's
got
like a freaking mansion.
I dibs this couch. Oh, never mind. I'll dibs this couch. With your man, Steve.
Dude, there was some like noob dude outside, and I thought it was like one of the bad guys, and I had to stop for a minute and like realize it wasn't a bad guy. It was a little sad. Ooh, it's time to. Dude, please, dear God, can one of us push someone off?
Please.
No, we're see-through. We can go through each other.
Shh.
Sounds wrong.
What's with
We're
the arrow?
We're
To
Steve.
find out where dude is.
I'm going to show you a few key locations around the mountain.
I want Steve, not Daniel.
Haylee, don't be rude.
Me?
Frick
Freaking
Daniel.
Blue falls in love with the freaking blue-haired guy, bro.
Remember, Haley's type is gamers. You know, they always have weird hair.
Oh my God.
Like your last guy, he had pretty weird hair. Emo-looking hair.
There's
Glass-looking hair.
This is a mine. It is no longer used by miners as it was abandoned due to safety violations around 20 years ago.
Miners.
Haley, come on.
I'm sorry.
You are a mature adult.
Not for this video.
Haley's like on the sideline laughing. Hee hee, miners.
I'm just looking at her like, okay.
This is the lake. It freezes during the winter. Don't worry. It's safe. Be careful not to slip.
Breaks ice. Wee.
Over here.
Yes, sir.
What do you want?
Hi, Daniel. Ahead of us lies nothing but forest. Go ahead and explore. I'll catch up with you later.
Still want Steve.
Haylee, we know you do.
You like people. Ooh, look, there's like a little campsite over here. There's a little campsite.
Campfire. I want to get burned alive. What?
Oh my god! Ew! What is that?
What?
Oh!
Oh, go away! Go
I'm
away!
going back to Daniel. Heck no. See you guys later. I'll catch up with the group later.
It was
Yeah.
a naked man running through the forest.
Where are they still going?
Naked man running through the forest.
Hold on, we might as well keep going. Everyone else is going that way. Let's go. Come on, guys.
I was already back with Daniel.
You love Daniel too much, dude.
No, I feel safe with Daniel. We broke up last episode.
Oh, sorry, man.
Yeah, you didn't.
Broke up like he died.
Yeah, you died too
Like
early to find out I broke up with Daniel.
Not wrong with that.
So there's like a whoa.
What happened?
Was it the naked man running through the woods?
I don't know. All I saw was like a little flash of light on my screen. It kind of freaked me out for a second, and I was like, "Wow,
What the hell, this?
I want to go back."
What the hell, this?
Okay, make sure that there isn't. Oh my gosh, look, it's Daniel. Hi, Daniel.
Daniel!
Look up for naked man.
Look out for naked man.
Come on, Daniel.
Plot twist.
Want to go, Daniel?
Steve was the naked man.
It's getting late. You should return to lodge. Enjoy your stay.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me.
Thanks, Daniel.
Well, aw, it's so cute. Sorry, I got distracted.
He went in
Cute.
YouTube.
Daniel. Oh wait, no, we broke up. Sorry, I need to move on. Sorry.
Steve!
Yeah.
No,
Move
Steve
on.
isn't cute.
Steve is not cute, Haley. Come on, you can do
Yeah,
better.
really. He's nowhere near attractive. I'm gonna sleep on this dumb table.
What table are you talking about?
This table.
You went the little heater thing, and I was like, that's not a table.
We're literally sleeping in the living room.
Okay. It sure is stormy outside.
Oh my god.
Hey, Haley. I can be
Hi.
Steve to your Haley.
What the hell?
Oh, is Naked Man coming? I want to see him.
Let's see naked man.
Naked man.
Come on, naked man. Let's go, naked man.
Come on, Naked Man. He just pops out behind us.
I'd freak. I can't say that word. I'd
Oh, get
freak.
on my screen.
out.
What the freaking crack?
Someone said OMG.
Oh my
It's OMG.
What?
What? We're being social right now, Haley.
Do you guys hear that?
No.
It's the naked man.
My
Come
freaking
on,
volume's
man.
low. Oh, my butt.
Someone needs help. We should go outside and investigate.
No,
No.
be horrible people and not.
Head outside and investigate. I don't know what that says.
Crying?
Alright, someone lead. I don't have my volume on, so.
I'll turn
What
my
the
volume. Hold on. I'll turn mine on. But yeah, there's definitely some crying.
Who crying,
Did
man?
you say Poland?
Why did someone say Poland?
You hear that?
No, because my
Nope.
volume's down.
I hate that crying. It's so creepy.
Shut up, dude. Sound like a goat.
They're right there. Okay, I don't want to go. I'm just gonna slow down and be like in the behind.
Okay.
God, I hate the crying noise so much.
Who
Get
that?
Hey, it's Steve!
Is it Steve? Holy sh! Run,
Yes.
run, 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 run! God damn! No, no, no!
No!
Did you get struck?
No, I almost did. No, 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 no,
Oh my freaking god!
no! I am jumping for my life right now.
My man got eaten alive.
Good. Feel how
I'm
it
with the
felt
Rob?
when I lost Daniel.
Guys, I don't know where I am.
Oh shoot, I'm in dead end. I don't know where I'm going.
Oh, I made it. Okay.
Where do you go?
Okay, I found the.
I'm waiting
Okay.
for you guys.
Where the hell do you go?
We go back to the cabin.
I did not know that.
Yeah, Haylee, you could have told us that.
Oh no!
Oh, it's set up.
Wrong way. I go all the way around.
Dude, I was like all in the back.
He killed me! I was too slow. Okay, hold
No,
on.
he
Go
ate
ahead.
me. Whatever, I have Robux. What, you know who doesn't have Robux though?
I can hear
Me?
him.
Meanwhile, I survived without getting any damage.
Haley,
Haylee,
whatever.
you're eaten alive just like your man, so
Yeah, so.
Good.
you can't say none.
Someone needs to close that gate.
I should buy more Robux. BRB, guys. I'm gonna buy Robux.
Your partner, Steve. Brownie face.
Frowny face.
Imagine your guy dying.
I didn't care about him anyway.
Dude, your guy died in the last episode. Oh my god, he's coming. Oh my god,
I am
Bro,
one
he
with
looks
the
like a freaking
box.
Five Nights at Freddy's character.
it's standing outside by the gate.
Hiding.
So creepy. Dude, he's looking right at me. Dude, his screams are so annoying. I think it's gone. Lazelle's hiding behind the bookcase.
I'm buying Robux right now. Calm down.
Lazelle's doing her best. It's okay.
I'm Roblox
Can you
buying
buy
right now.
Oh, that
If the
makes
door,
Guys,
sense.
I have
Okay.
Robux.
there's something that's
Guys,
written
I'm
on.
rich, I got Robux.
Open the door. Open the door. I want to go look.
Open the
I don't-
freaking door.
Whoa,
someone's
don't
poisoned.
touch
Rip.
me!
I've gotten sick of the cold outside. Avoid. Ew!
Don't touch
Get away.
me! That's so nasty! Stop it! Freaking woman!
did she
She doesn't know
do?
her boundaries!
Bro doesn't know social distancing.
Who did she sneeze on?
Your mom.
Lizelle, did she sneeze on you?
No, I'm like on the roof.
No, get away from me. Get away from me.
Bro, she just... Get away from us! Woman!
This woman, bro.
Hi, Haley.
How do we get out of here? How do we get out of here? Lady, leave.
Lady, go away, bro!
Open the door.
Open the door!
No.
Stop it!
Open the door.
Go away.
Girl, learn boundaries sometimes.
Yo, 6 feet apart. 6 feet.
Get away!
If we all sick of this, we'll all get each other sick. That's what I don't want to happen.
That's
Let me
why
out.
we're getting away from you right now.
Learn boundaries.
She's still sneezing. Leave me alone.
Stop it! Wood!
Learn boundaries, girl.
Learn boundaries, girl.
See you soon. That's a little creepy.
Stop.
No! No, she got me sick.
No! Don't go anywhere near me, Zayden.
Get away from me. Stop following me.
You're both sick. That's
Okay,
why she's
every
leaving.
time I sneeze,
I got
Every-
wood.
I get, like, I lose some, like, stupid health.
lose
That's
dignity.
so dumb. I lose dignity. That's true, too.
Why are you guys' sneezes so freaking big, dude?
No.
Like,
Help
you guys,
me.
like, sneeze at 6 feet radius right now.
Okay, I gotta cure myself. Where's the fireplace?
Over
It's in the
here.
thing. It's in the office.
Okay, I'm sick. I'm coming.
Stay away from me, you little.
Is the fireplace inside or outside?
It's inside.
I
I
don't-
mean outside. It's in the forest. It's in the forest.
Okay.
Zell, help me.
I ain't helping.
I don't know if I can.
Don't bring him to me!
I'm not sick.
Bro's sick.
Someone help. I don't know where I am.
Wait, I actually don't know where it is. Just kidding. That was a
I'm by the lake. I'm by the lake. Where's the little campfire?
Where are you? Oh, I see you. I see your sick butt. Hello.
Okay, get away, get away, get away, get away.
Get away from me!
Dude, this guy won't freaking leave me alone!
Is this where the fireplace is?
Haylee's
I'm
still okay.
assuming.
Or is it inside?
How come it's not freaking lit up?
It might be inside.
It is inside. Okay, I gotta hurry up. I'm gonna die.
Can this guy get the fuck away from me?
What does that say, Lizelle?
Oh. Rip.
I like
Don't
him.
worry,
It's not my.
guys. We can like scoop it out, you know.
Scoop it out.
Yeah, let's
We
just eat
can
this snow.
we can
Hey,
get
eat the snow, eat the
shovels.
snow. We're hungry anyway. We didn't eat anyway.
No. It's water.
Nom 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 nom.
I'm
Don't
like,
eat the yellow one, really, though. Don't eat the yellow one.
don't eat yellow snow.
Don't eat yellow. There is literally 5 of us.
I like eating green snow sometimes.
I like blue snow.
I vote we eat this lady in the hat.
I agree. I'm starving. If we don't eat anything, oh wait, no, that's Zayden. Oops.
We eat the bacon guy because he keeps following me.
No, but he was sick, so we might get his
Wait.
infection. Let's eat each other.
Only way we can survive.
Let's eat the one that had the idea to eat it. Eat each other.
This guy. I vote we eat this guy.
This guy.
Wasn't
This
he
guy.
sick?
This guy. This guy. This guy.
Everyone voted. Four.
Guy.
I vote
Hey,
myself.
who voted me?
Probably him.
Oh my god, we got his body
Oh my gosh,
parts!
I got his body. I have the most.
I got his arm!
Yeah.
I love cannibalism! Nom 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 nom. Yay.
That was
delicious. First of all, screw you.
It's over. We should find a way out of here. Through the cave.
For real. We have no choice but to go through the mine.
The thing, if there's another jumping thing, and I just have a 20 freaking robot.
It's just like a little thing. Okay, never mind. There is jumping. Hot. Okay. Mine carts. It's Minecraft.
Crossy Road. Woo!
Crossy Road.
I am half dead.
Zayden, you made it.
Daniel! I mean, we broke up.
Daniel! Okay, never mind. That was close. Let me eat the snow.
No, we already ate a man. Oh, I
Oh my god, you're the one who said Daniel.
Guys, I think me and Daniel are gonna get back together. Not gonna lie, if none of you kill him.
No promises.
Fast.
Wait, why was Daniel in here anyway?
That's a great question. Maybe he was stuck in the mine.
It's that guy again.
Trying to escape the little Five Nights at Freddy's guy. Hi, Daniel.
I'm all dead. Like, let's be honest. 2 days ago.
Yeah, that was your brother who died.
Wait,
You
dead
suck.
for 2 days?
Hey, at least he found what it was.
Like, there's a secret trapdoor tunnel. Oh, okay.
I know why'd you call it? I'm sorry, why'd you call we prefer to not talk. Oh my god, you guys are in a relationship.
Wait, what did he say?
You said we didn't needed to bring it up again.
Oh.
Back to the lodge.
Going back to the lodge.
Hey, wait for me.
No.
Naked guy's gonna eat you.
I don't want to be eaten.
Tree.
Kiss his tree. You're the new Steve now, tree.
That girl just ran into the rock.
She's
Rock
a bit
is in
drunk,
this
you know, after eating that full-on human. Sometimes there's some side effects.
There's a little.
For real.
Hey, wait, there's a room we, like, never went into. How do I get into that room? I want to go into that room.
There's a room.
What room?
There's a freaking room. Go on the outside and look in. Look, right here. Look. There's a room.
Oh.
It's for dramatic effects, you know. Poland?
Hey, Daniel. Guys, I think me and Daniel are dating again. Real.
Real?
Oh, I'm trying so hard. I want to figure it out. Come on.
Do
There has to be.
What if it's just there for, like, the aesthetic reasons? Like, make it
No,
look like
but
the house is big.
Again.
Okay, like, hear me out. They shouldn't do that. That's a little mean.
Jesus Christ.
What? Hey, Haley. You missing Steve?
Did the other lady lose?
What the hell did you just say?
You missing Steve? The man that you
No.
dated, that you didn't date, but you liked him for, like, 2 seconds?
Hey, he's here again.
What the fuck?
Jesus Christ, I actually just, like, jumped so.
I didn't jump, but that kind of scared the shit out of me. Welcome to Domino's Pizza.
Get out of the lodge.
Get out of the fuck are you? Hello, fuck.
What?
Oh
Limbo?
my god, it's Star Wars all over again.
Dude, I jumped so goddamn hard. Mouse. His name is Mouse.
Oh my god. Why the frick are you putting K-pop promotions in the chat?
Why is he sitting like that? He's pooping.
He's taking a shit. Can we not escape this?
No.
Oh what the
Now I
Final
know they're
boss.
related. Oi.
They are related.
Hey. Whoop.
This is more easier than what the hell is that?
Then what the hell is that? Wait, why is it just attacking Zayden for a second?
For
I
real.
don't know.
Gate keeps the gay. Whoa, bro just flipped me.
What the heck?
What?
I play too much epic mini games for this.
For
I
real?
know.
Bro's pooping
No.
again.
He's taking a shit.
I'm gonna die again, guys.
At least you got
I
Robux.
just bought Robux mid-video.
Oh no, not this again. How am I still alive?
You know, I'm questioning how I'm still alive, Haley.
That too.
Kill your own father. What? Oh
Why
my
is there
gosh,
two
my
of them at
health.
once?
My health!
Why is there two of them at once?
Oh, I'm dead.
What outside?
Are you? Oh my god.
Don't worry, guys,
Robux.
I have Robux. Don't have to worry
Got
about me.
Robux. This is by far the easiest one. No. No.
Almost dies.
No. How long is this?
Until someone... Actually, no. Until they get tired, you know?
Oh my god. Finally. Oh my god.
To end this.
He's gonna kill himself. Oh. Never mind, we die either way. Oh.
Why is he sad?
Are we getting pushed off a cliff?
What? Yo, get ready to jump out.
Being pushed off a cliff.
No, this can't be the end.
Who are these guys?
Family. Family.
Kill them.
Oh, the ghosts are helping us.
Dude,
Oh,
all I
is this
could
the
hear
family
is
that died?
guys screaming in like.
Wiggle.
Oh, hi. It's the sun.
Oh, jeez, I am blind.
Right.
Dude, Nightmare saved
We were
us.
blind before.
Nightmare. Yo, is that the killer? Is that Zach? Zac Efron?
Zac Efron.
It's time to put an end to this.
Nice.
Why does he look like that though?
Zach.
Zac.
Sorry, I hit your daughter in my car. What?
Whoa!
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Hold on. What did we miss out on?
Zack Nolan. It's Zack Nolan.
Forgive you.
Jack
Why
Logan?
would you forgive your father? He literally just... Help, the car is rolling away.
Gotta go fast. Bro just Naruto runs. No!
He sacrificed himself. No, Zack.
No!
Zack.
Zack, no.
Anywho,
We need it.
Thank you guys so much
That
for
was the-
watching. We will be up, if Camping Forever arrives, probably not. We will be posting it. Oh yeah, and tell us if you want us to play hotel or mansion.
For real.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very
Yeah.
fun series. And yeah, see you
Yeah.
guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.